The micro switch of car door lock usually refers to micro switches installed on car doors. It is used to perceive or detect car doors, a door switch for children's locks, and whether the central control is locked in place. Its working principle is when the door is closed, the corresponding mechanism components will come into contact with the operating handle of the micro switch. When the operating handle is pressed, the circuit is conductive. Normal will immediately send a message to the instrument panel for display. If the door is not closed properly due to structural design, the stroke to be pressed has been calculated. Then the microswitch circuit will not be turned on and forget to switch. The information displayed on the instrument panel is a warning prompt that the door is not closed properly. Due to frequent opening and closing of the doors, it's inevitable to get wet when traveling on rainy days, so the microswitch used in the car door needs to have waterproof function. It also needs to have the characteristics of high lifespan. The car door lock micro switch is a detection switch. Many people mistakenly think that the door lock is a micro switch. This is not correct. Micro switches are actually electronic switches used to detect whether the door lock is closed.